Hi there, I'm Aaron Armstrong and welcome to another K-Wall tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Accorbis and adding a media with text component. To start, we are going to go to our content tab. From here, we could either edit a piece of content or create a new one. For the sake of our demo today, we're going to edit an existing landing page. From here, we're going to click main content, which is where our layout paragraphs exist. And you can see our existing sections and their associated components. I'm going to go ahead and create a new section for this. And we're going to keep it as one column, and we're going to click Add Container Class. From here, we can see our section, and we can click the plus icon, and we can scroll down and click on the Media with Text. So what this is going to do is going to show our component that allows for a media element and then an associated piece of text, and you get to decide if the image is left aligned or right aligned. Our heading is going to be an H2 that appears above everything, so Aaron's Media with Text. I'm going to keep this as right for now, but we're going to duplicate it and then also make it left aligned so we can see that working as well. From here, we can choose our image media, and as you can see from here, you can either choose an image or a video. So we're going to go ahead and just choose one of these. The video is not mandatory, but if you did want a video instead of a static image, you could fill this out, and basically this image would work as the thumbnail for the video, and then you'd be able to click play. I'm going to go ahead and fill out some lorem ipsum here, and I'm going to grab it from the lorem ipsum generator. All right, maybe I'm going to give it some text. Aaron's title. Put that in here as an H3, knowing that we have a title up here, which should be an H2. And underneath our content, we can then get into our CTAs if we want a list of buttons. This can be either an internal or an external link. And I'm going to say Aaron's CTA. And you can fill out up to 2 of these links. And then we can click Save. You can already kind of see the way it's going to look like in the preview in the back end, but let's go ahead and click Save so that we can see it on the front end. And from here, you can see we have our image on the right, our text on the left. We have the H2 plus the H3 that we selected. If we want to have the image left aligned, and we also have our button there as well. If we want to have the image left aligned, let's go ahead and go back and edit our component. Let's edit that. Maybe we'll change this and we'll remove this top heading here while we're doing it. And let's make this left aligned. Let's click Save. And from here, we can scroll down and click Save again. And there we have our page. We have our image left aligned, with our text right aligned. We've got the title that we filled in, all of our lorem ipsum text, as well as the button that we had filled out. And it's as quick as that. Thank you so much.